Hi children, I'm here again to read out a story for you. Okay, shall we start? Today is the story about a cobra and the ants. Cobra means a snake, big snake. Okay, what happened to the cobra, what the ants did to the cobra, we will see in the story. Okay, once upon a time, a huge king cobra lived in a dense forest. So once upon a time, a king, who is the king here now? A cobra. The big snake is the king and it lived in the dense forest. Dense means very thick forest. He ate all kinds of creatures like lizards, frogs, birds, eggs and other small animals and insects. So the king cobra, what he did? He ate all kinds of lizards and frogs. You know lizards? In the house we see lizards on the walls, and frogs, you know, it will be jumping and on the in the water. Big birds, eggs and other small animals and insects. So it used to eat all sort of insects and animals. At night long he hunted for food. So what did the king cobra do? At night he used to hunt for the food. That means he did not sleep at night. He used to hunt for the food, and as soon as the sun rises he would hide in his hole to sleep. So full night he used to hunt for the food and eat all sort of things, and then as soon as the sun rises, that is day comes out, he hides himself in the hole and sleeps. So he gets inside the hole and sleeps there. The cobra was very lazy and he soon grew fat. So full day he was sleeping, isn't it? Eating and sleeping, eating and sleeping. So what happened? It became very fat. As he grew fat, it became difficult for the cobra to move in and out of his old hole. So what happened? It became very fat, so it was very difficult for the cobra to come outside and go inside the hole because the hole was very small. So because of his laziness, he became very fat, and now the hole became very small for him to come out and come inside. So he found himself a new hole, which was a huge tree. So what did the cobra think? So I will go change my home, he thought, and he searched for his new hole, and he got a new hole where near a big tree. Huge means very big tree. The only problem was that the tree had a group of ants there at its roots. So the hole was very big and it can easily get inside and come outside, but there was only one problem. What was the problem? There were a group of ants which were living there at the root of the tree. So near the tree, who were living? At the root of the tree who were living, you can see in the picture, isn't it? There were a group of ants. Many ants were living there. So the cobra went to the ant hill and ordered them to live somewhere else, as he was considered to be the king of the forest. So what did the cobra do? It went to the ant hill. Ant hill means where the ants live. He went there and ordered them that they should go away because he was the king of the forest. So they have to listen to him. He ordered them. The other animals that were around them were very frightened. So other animals which were nearby, they were very frightened because the king ordered them to go away. But the ants did not pay any attention to his threats at all. But the ants did not listen to him. They did not listen to the king cobra. They were not afraid of what he was saying. Soon they swayed all over the body of the cobra, stinging and biting him. So what did the ants do? They did not want to go away from them because it was their home. So what did they say? They slowly climbed onto the snake's body and they started stinging him and biting him. Their sting caused unbearable pain to the cobra. So the cobra was feeling very painful. They were stinging, and when the ant bites you, what happens? It pains very much, isn't it? So the cobra also felt lot of pain all over the body. He wrinkled with pain and tried to keep ants away from his body, but he could not do so. So he started moving here and there and wanted to throw away the ants from his body, but he couldn't do it. After some time, the ants went away from the cobra. After biting it, after stinging him, they slowly came down and went away. The cobra lay there hurt and wounded. So what happened to the cobra? The full body, the ants bit him, isn't it? So throughout his body, they were wounded. It was wounded. There were wounds on his body and full body was hurting. The cobra was crying in pain. So the cobra started crying. All the animals who were afraid of him could only pity him. So all the animals no one helped him. All the animals were looking at him and saying, oh poor thing, he's crying. But no one helped him because he used to eat all the animals, isn't it? So they didn't like the king. The ants taught King Cobra a great lesson. So the ants, what they did? They taught him a lesson because he thought that he was the king of the forest and he could eat all sort of animals, eat everything whatever he wanted. So, and all the animals were afraid of him. But the ants were very brave. All of them got onto his body and bit him and sting him and made him go away from their place. So did you understand the story? Once I am going to read out it again. So just listen. The Cobra and the Ants. Once upon a time, a huge king cobra lived in a dense forest. He ate all kinds of creatures like lizards, frogs, bird eggs, and other small animals and insects. All night long, he hunted for food. And as soon as the sun rises, he would hide in his hole to sleep. The cobra was very lazy and he soon grew fat. As he grew fat, it became difficult for the cobra to move in and out of his old hole. So he found himself a new hole, which was a huge tree. The only problem was that the tree had a group of ants there at its roots. So the cobra went to the anthill and ordered them to live somewhere else as he was considered to be the king of the forest. The other animals that were around them were very frightened, but the ants did not pay any attention to his threats at all. Soon they swayed all over the body of the cobra, stinging and biting him. Their sting caused unbearable pain to the cobra. He wrinkled with pain and tried to keep ants away from his body, but he could not do so. After some time, the ants went away from the cobra. The cobra lay there hurt and wounded. The cobra was crying in pain. All the animals who were afraid of him could only pity him. The ants taught King Cobra a great lesson. So I'll ask you some questions, okay? What did the King Cobra eat? What did he eat? King Cobra, he ate creatures like lizards, frogs, bird eggs and small animals and insects. When did he hunt for his food? He hunted for his food during the night time. Why was it difficult for the cobra to move in and out of his old hole? Being lazy, as the king cobra was very lazy, he grew fat. So it was difficult for him to move in and out of his old hole. Where did the group of ants live? Where did the group of ants live? They were living at the root of the huge tree where the king cobra wanted to change his new hole. What did the ants do when the cobra asked them to go away? Did they go away? No. They climbed on him and started biting and stinging his body. So at last he couldn't bear the pain and he was hurted, and the ants slowly went away.